Hello, Dot Baby, Sin here, and I'm coming at you with another highly requested video. Now, I had already started round brushing her hair, and I was like, oh my god, this will be a great video. So, this is our first session. I was so excited to meet her because she told me she's been following me on social media for about 3 years, so it was really good to finally meet her. And, anywho, I had already started, but like I said, I was like, oh, this will be a good video because a lot of you asked me to make a video on thinner hair. So this is our first session, and we are starting her repairing process from different weaves. So her last installation was pretty rough on her hair and gave her a lot of breakage. I only zoom in so close on the camera, so I'm not really sure if you guys will be able to see and get up close and personal, but towards her roots in the front, like some of her hair is really, really short, like maybe 2 inches long, if even that, like maybe 1.5 inches long. And she has some thinning and stuff around the perimeter of her hairline, but we're gonna get it together. This is session 1, and I always update you guys on the next video. So like I said, this is session number 1. So you'll see me do a tad bit of over direction towards the top at the crown of her head, just because when you do over direction, it also creates a little bit of volume as well. And as you guys know, she has been drenched with Silk Fusion Therapy, but like I said, I forgot to record the beginning of it so you can see her true curl pattern. I hope that you can kind of sort of see it here. So like I said, we were doing the first session to repair her hair from some damage she had from a previous weave and different protective styles and things like that. So we're going to manipulate today and make her look all fine, girl. So keep watching, girl. I'll be back, girl. Okay, so we're ending the blow drying process, and now she's gonna go sit under the dryer for 5 minutes so her scalp can dry. So started the flat ironing process. I don't know where that little clip went, my bad, girl. But as you guys know, I always straighten with Silk Fusion Polish from the Sendal collection, and Silk Fusion Polish is a heat protectant and a shine spray built into one. Yes, so let me just say this real quick. So this day that I did her hair was such a busy freaking day. I want to say she was client number 10 this day, and Black Panther was coming out that day, girl. So I had to do my hair, so I got to work. And before my first client came, I washed my hair and then I molded it. And then I didn't do my hair until after my last client left. So sorry if you see my hair molded in this video, but I took the papers off, girl. At least I took the papers off, girl. Hey, I'll be back, girl. Okay, so now we're gonna get a good look at her hair and exactly what we're dealing with and what we need to repair. As you guys know, it's always 100% my client's decision on what we actually do. and she has already told me exactly what she wants, and I'm just making sure that what she's saying and what's coming out of her mouth and what I'm picturing in my head line up. So as you can see, she has quite a bit of breakage, and her hair is not necessarily on the coarse side, but we're gonna make it thick. So when I do this first initial cut, this isn't like a master technique. Obviously, I'm just getting all of the hair that all of the split ends off, and basically that line of demarcation that you'll see where the hair goes from like transparent to non-transparent, you know. So we're just putting everything on an even key, so you guys pretty much know about this part, and I'm just following it around. Now the mental guide that I'm giving myself is on both ends. You can see where the shortest parts are, like in the front, like towards her ears, towards her temples. Those are the shortest parts. So that's what I'm lining everything up with to the best of my ability. So now I'm gonna go in and create some pretty defined layers in her hair. Layers automatically create volume, and that's what you want. If your hair is on the thinner side, you want to create the illusion that it's a lot thicker than it is, and layers is an amazing way to do that. And if you guys keep watching, all you're gonna see is me go in and manipulate and put layers in where we need them, where the damage is the most prevalent. Now the appointment she booked, she actually booked like a really short bob, but because mainly she booked the short bob because she thought that she was going to have to get rid of like all of her hair, but we ended up coming to this solution to just give her some really defined layers, so we won't have to let go of so much hair, because it's not a problem if you cut your hair. Actually, the next video that's coming after this one is going to be a short pixie cut, and it's not my idea. But in this case, cutting her hair was not her desire. That's not what she wanted to do. She didn't want to get rid of a lot of hair. So layers, like I said, is an amazing way to create volume and body and get rid of all of the damage without compromising length. So like I said, you guys just keep watching. You'll just see me go in and manipulate and put layers in where I feel like she needs a little bit more. So keep watching. Okay, so we have finished the flat ironing process. Now I am wrapping her hair in a circle. I did not use any extra oil on her hair because, like I said, her hair is a little bit on the thinner side, and so putting a bunch of oil on it is the last thing you want to do. So I just set her under the dryer for 15 minutes, and now we are unwrapping. And make sure whenever you unwrap hair, you can try to do it with a wide tooth comb. If you don't have a wide tooth comb, just try to get one, girl. They ain't that expensive, girl. It just drives me crazy when I see people unwrap hair with like really small tooth combs. So make sure you get a wide tooth comb. So that is pretty much it, you guys. I hope this was informative. I hope it helped you guys out a little bit because it's been really highly requested, and layers are our best friend when we're trying to create volume or when we're trying to create the illusion that our hair is a lot thicker than it is. So like I said, hope this helped. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Rate, comment, and like I said, subscribe and share this video with everybody you know, girl. I hope I helped you, girl. Have a good day, girl. Bye.